Oh boy. Oh boy. Ah, wait, let me see. Lower this. I want you to bear witness. I'm making my burger. You see, I'm making my burger. Minding my own business. Minding my own business. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Earning mayonnaise. Anyway, so homeboy is here because and just a couple of seconds ago he had that in his mouth. Yep. Because it's a fucking baby and it's an idiot. It's a retard. Right? You a retard? Yes. Yes, you are. So I'm like, all right, here. Bacon. Which is lucky because I was going to give it Charles's thingamajiggy that it left after I told it, yo, make sure you take all your shit out. And it didn't, like always, because he doesn't listen to me. So now it's mine. Yep. And this is my life. Everyone's happy. Where are these mother flowers? Yep. Let's see this. Yep. Relaxing. Yep. Oh yeah. These animals. I tell you, these animals, they don't like light. I guess they get it from me. What is that? Nibiru, I see you. I see you, Nibiru. What is that exactly? Oh, maybe we got it the wrong way. Let's see. Oh, that's what they... Yeah? What about you? What you know about it? What you know about it? Yeah, Yep. It's a coincidence. It's a coincidence. It's a coincidence.